Hey guys, this will be another tutorial in the multiplayer game, and we'll be working on multiple usernames. So to begin, just go on your frame where you enter, where you register or login, and in the password and where it says behavior, instead of having it as a single line and multi-line, change it to password after this password as well. So when you type in it, you won't be seeing text. You'd actually be seeing asterisks. But it will still have the same values. Invalid username or password. Invalid. Let's try registering Danny J. The password is text and the color is 5. Register. And let's log in again. Danny J. Password is test. Try. Okay. So it still works. Now let's try multiple user names when we register. So in the register button, username, instead we'll change username to username plus, no, just change it from username.data.name to username.data.name plus string root.username.text. And the same thing goes for the password. So whatever you choose your username as, when you register, it will say, it'll add a new variable called the name plus the username you entered. So if the username you entered was Bob, this will be the name Bob is equal to Bob, and the password Bob is equal to the password that you entered. And then when we want to load it, we'll check in the join button. We'll check if the root.username.text is equal to this again. So if what we entered was Bob and it's equal to the name Bob, and the password text is equal to the password Bob, not the actual password. So if it is equal to the password Bob, which would be whatever the variable name is, password Bob, but that would be whatever you actually had your password as. So don't forget to close this off. And then if that is correct, global at the username would be equal to this, and the color, we'd also want the color to be individual. So let's say the color plus string.username.text. Do not forget to close. And just copy this, paste this down here, and global color is integer, username.color. Paste that, and you can take out string. So now what this does, it will make new variables for every time you register with a different name. or if you register with the same name, it will overwrite that previous file. So let us test this. I'll try to log in with the username Sam, and the password will be Sam as well, with the capital S. Invalid username or password. I'll try to log in Bob with the username as Bob as well. Join, invalid username or password. So let us register. Sam, Sam, and the color will be 7. Um, let us try Sam. Password is Sam. Join. So that works. And we'd also need something for logging out. So in an account, register. Let's go back and register with Bob instead. And this password will be Bob. His color will be 2. So if we register and we try to log in, it works. So back onto this frame, we'll just copy this register text and this box, which we use as buttons, paste it, no, copy it, paste it, just change this to log out, and in the logout text all we can say is go to and stop login. So let us join. Danny Dre would not work because we have changed up all of that. So Sam is in, and if we log out and we enter with Bob, he is also in. So this is how we can use different usernames. Let's check the color. So 127.0.0.1 connected. Please log in. Make sure you have started your server and log in. And this is Bob. He can move all around. But let's try it with Sam, because if you notice, Bob was orange and Sam is supposed to be purple, I think. Let's check Sam. Sam. And Sam is purple. So that proves that it does work. And if you're wondering how to change the colors of these different things, just go into library, open the GUI folder, open the avatars folder, and where it says disk, double click that. This will show you all the different colors, and you can add on more if you like. Now each server will be much different, so I'm just going to fix this up. So this will be username instead of an actual text, and so I have it that when I log in, Sam's down here, and this is a bunch of gigantic. So now we want to be able to go back to the menu, which is multiplayer game. So in the chat area, in the code layer, straight down to the bottom, there's a function called close connection, and that will make SmartFox disconnect and go back to connect button. And SmartFox would need to disconnect to remove the player from, well, the avatar from the stage itself. So just copy one of these buttons here, go inside of the follower, which is the vcam, and paste. Just change this up from logout to leave server, and in this button we can say unrelease root dot close connection. So that will close the connection and send you back to the title screen, well, the menu. Let's just test this out. And so we move around, but if we leave server, we are back to the menu. And if we join again and we move around, okay, let's leave. So we go back to that and let's check as Bob. Localhost is just another way of saying 127. Type in 127.0.0.1. So Bob is here, and if we leave the server, we will go back to the menu screen. And we would also want to save our position, but we'll leave that for later, like when I've added host and connect, because this isn't a really proper menu screen, so I'll add that next time. But for now, we've completed all that I planned for today. We've got our infinite amount of users that we can join, and we can now leave the server. We will work on a menu screen next, so just drag this over here and right click, select all 3 frames, right click and click insert keyframe. Undo, just insert blank keyframe, because this is where we will be putting our menu screen. Let's just take this button from here. Oh, I have removed it completely, just add it back here, but instead change this to menu and change the code to go to and stop menu, and also and the menu in the labels, go into properties and name it menu, and on the login button go to and stop menu, and on the menu just copy 2 more of these frames, name one host server and name the other connect. We will work on everything else next time, but for now, see you later. Bye. One more thing, don't forget to save your game and save as multiplayer game too. Thumbs up and subscribe if you like.